I'm just sharing my screen. Yes. So for the anchor registration, I think I have already shared this handbook in all the groups. So for this, first starting with the anchor registration. In the box by now you have got this anchor, the power adapter, and the Ethernet cable. First, in First we'll do the user registration in our v2.aiori.in portal. v2.aiori. Okay. So after after the user registration is completed, you need to give your first name, and for faculty, you need to provide your college email ID, password, and in this select role, you need to register as faculty. Okay. And after confirmation, like you will receive a OTP in the email and the mobile. And after verifying it, the registration process will be completed in this portal. Then the next step, anchor management section. We will just move on to the anchor management section. Yes. Now coming to this manage section, you can find it over here, anchor management. Here, anchor registration. So in the back side of the anchor, you can find a QR code. In the back side of this anchor, you can find a QR code. You need to take a clear picture of that QR code and upload this. Before uploading this, the QR code, you need to go through these guidelines. Okay. I'm just showing you right now. You must give a approx location. If not the exact, approx location will be good. Then clicking on registering button, it will show request saved successfully. And here you can see the list status active. In the anchor list, the anchor will appear. Okay. Then coming on to this, after registration, you will find, okay, and one more thing, for updating the location, you can again click it over here and you can just move it and update the location from here also. Okay, currently I'm not updating any location. Then our next step is to the device setup. The anchor should be connected to a network with the Ethernet cable. I think Arnav, are you there?
Yes, I am. Am I audible?
Yes, yes. Just proceed with this device setup proceeds.
Okay. So let me share my. Let me turn my video on first. Hi everyone. So this is the anchor device that you all got, right? So, setting it up is simple. We first take the Ethernet cable and we plug it in from the top. So this is how we will connect the Ethernet cable, and we will connect the other part to a switch or router, whichever is available in the university. Okay. Once this is connected, uh, we will take the power adapter and we'll plug it in the side. Okay. So these are the two ports that are open. All the rest of the ports have been sealed, so it should be relatively easy to find them. Once this is done, we can just plug it in the power source, and the anchor will be up in 2 to 3 minutes, basically. And it will be, if the registration is done, it will be visible in the portal, and will be ready to fire measurements. Okay. Any questions? Okay, I
No,
guess
sir.
not. Okay. Over to you, Anjali.
Ma'am, we need to do the registration and then the device setup, right?
Yes.
Once you need to do the registration first, yes.
Yes, once the registration is done and it is and the device is
Excuse
getting
me.
proper internet connection and power supply, then you can find it over here. Okay. Just now I have registered IN26. You can see it over here that it's already came in this portion, and you can fire some measurement through these anchors.
Good evening, madam. Okay, after completing the registration only, we have to install the anchor, no, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So it's already registered. I attended the workshop in Trivandrum. So that time itself, I registered it. But now I'm not able to see where is the exact login page and all. It's v2.ai or aior.in, right? That's the website.
v2.aiori.in.
Okay, so it's open, so there is no login page and all. Okay, login option is not seeing there. Little bit
No, login page is there. You can find it over there.
at the top.
Yeah,
Root
I'm just
server.
sending you the link. I'm just sending you the link.
Okay, thank you.
Uh, and anybody, any questions with the anchor registration and the deployment part?
Ma'am, we have completed the anchor deployment and now my anchor is active.
Okay.
But from last session, I didn't get how from domain management and onwards.
Okay. I will explain it. But what is your anchor number? Can you please tell that?
Wait a minute. Uh, my anchor number is IN V2101.
101.
Yes.
But it's not online, I think.
No,
It's
it
on.
is active.
It is
Uh,
active, but it's not online. Uh,
Does it have an internet connection, and is it
yes,
turned on?
yes.
Okay.
Yes. It is connected to my laptop. My laptop is on Wi-Fi.
I don't think laptop would work because laptop will not like share the internet. Basically, laptop is not acting as a gateway.
Okay, so now I am having a Wi-Fi switch at my home.
Hmm.
So
Is
one
there-
more thing. Okay, so it's connected in our organization, working organization, or in our house. This angle
It is suggested to like plug it in the organization.
organization. If it's not possible, okay, we can connect it in our house also, right?
Yeah,
Yes, yes,
I'm
you can
assuming
connect it.
your house is in the vicinity of your organization. Then
Because the management may not support such kind of connections and all. Sometimes, not always. Sometimes. So after getting the permission only, we can do all such kind of connections in our organization. That's why I'm asking. So in case if they are not allowing, can I connect it in our house? Its Wi-Fi is there, router is there. So directly, I think I can connect to my router.
Yes, yes. In that case,
Okay.
you can.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, now sir, we are at home. It is 7 p.m. So can you explain? I can connect it to my router, right?
Yes, yes.
um, ideally, yes. Now it also depends on the configuration of the router. Sometimes uh, it should ideally like work as a gateway. So yes.
Uh, okay. So, sir, ma'am, please now don't take a query. Complete all session, and then will you give a queries so we will understand. And in tomorrow, I can practice this in my college, and then I am capable to ask my queries. Means onwards, na, you complete the domain management and all the things. So we can understand the exact process, and when we implemented it in our college tomorrow, we will get a query because now we are at home.
Okay, okay. Okay, we will proceed with the domain management and the zone management and running queries. Okay. Okay. So we will first go to this manage section. Then we have one option after the anchor registration. If it is properly registered and online, then automatically it will appear in this list, in this anchor list, online anchor list. Okay. Now, for the domains, domain management and the zone. For adding domain, you can write it over any domain name along with the domain IP or the domain. Like I'm just adding one. Submit. So domain is added successfully. Okay. Now I will go to this services section. There I have two options. One is run measurement and measurement reports. I will go to run measurement. If I want to run DNS query, I will just first run a DNS query. I will select a domain like ICICI Bank, query type A. As I have registered this recently, IN26, I will execute the measurement with this anchor. Okay, so it is successfully executed. Now, we are navigating to this report section.
Madam, I'm interrupting. Okay, so these details will be displaying only after connecting the anchor with the router, right? So I
Yes,
already
yes,
registered
yes.
completed, registration is completed, but I am not able to see these details in my portal. That's why I am asking.
Registration is completed. Can you please tell the anchor name?
Anchor number?
Yes, yes.
Anchor number, okay, I can give you, but not completed. That one connection is not completed. Most probably tomorrow I will be completing, but okay, I can share my anchor number.
Okay,
But
then not an issue. If you face any problem while registering in the deployment process, then you can
okay,
drop a message in the group
note down.
and
Okay,
we'll get to help.
note down anchor number V273.
Two set.
IN V273.
Okay,
V273.
okay, sir. Then tomorrow you can just finish the registration process, and if you face any problem, then we will be just very yes.
Okay, that understand. Okay, madam. The thing is, okay, nothing. Okay, many things you shown now in the portal, but I'm not able to see the same content in my portal. That's why I'm asking. So that can be displayed in my portal only after completing the anchor anchor,
Yes,
anchor
yes, sure,
installment.
sure, sure, sure.
Yes.
So, all the listed anchors are coming over here in this list that are already hosted in across India. Okay, so you can fire comments from any anchor and also the anchor that you have registered. Okay. Second thing is the ping. This one is for the one time running ping for one time query, and this one is for the periodic. That is the time range. It will run after some interval of time. Okay, again I will run ICC Bank. Then I will select suppose IN26. Reports IN26. It's still running. So it may not appear now, but after some time the result will come. Okay. Yes. So this is the details. You can find it over here. You can generate this export as PNG, this graph, and also export result. Export this result. Okay. Now again I will run a time range query. Suppose I'm selecting interval unit second for 30 seconds. Time unit. Time I'm giving 10. Again. Execute command. Now in the time range query report, you can see the status is in queue. So it's running. Okay. Currently it's running. Now it will not come. But after some time, intervals, the result will come over here. Okay. I'm just showing some pre-existing queries like yes. This is a time range query. I have run with anchor IN V207 region Kolkata. Interval time 30 seconds. And now the execution status is closed. You can find it over here. For domain SBI. Now we will run the trace route. Again, we will select ICC Bank. IN26. Reports. The status is running. We'll go to show result. Yes, we can find the hops. nodes, and the trace route. Again, we can generate the results in PDF, JSON, CSV formats. Yes, this is the trace route data. Yes, we can generate the result from here. Next is the zone. So what is zone? We can create with multiple anchors, we can create a zone. Okay, depending on, suppose from the south zone, we want to run some queries with multiple anchors. Then we will create a zone and fire the queries. Like I am just selecting these green ones are the online ones, Bhubaneswar, Mehrampur, Cuttack, and with this I am creating one zone. Create zone. IN 1824 and IN V209. Now I will give it a name. Zone A. So now it's showing over it here. IN 18, IN 24, IN V209. Now again I will go to this services run measurement part. If I want to run a ping, then I can select a domain. I will select a zone, and then I have, as there are already some zones present, that's why it's showing it over here. I will select zone A and I will execute the command. Yes. Now, with these regions, I have fired the commands here. So there I have seen that only 2 anchors were online that time. That's why I have got the results from those 2 anchors. But still, there were 3 anchors. With 3 anchors, I have created this zone. But only 2 of them were online. That's why I got the result from these 2 anchors, IN18 and IN24. Okay.
One more point. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, so you are recording this session now. So will you
Yes.
share the recording after the session?
Yes.
Because many things you are explaining one by one after another, so everything will not get stored in my brain. No, that's why. So
Yes. Surely we will be sharing
share the
them.
video. Okay, that's good. Okay, thank you.
Same thing, we can run a time range query with this zone.
Ma'am, excuse me, you have mentioned the zone as zone A, B, C, D, and so on, right, ma'am? Is there any specific zone for Chennai region or other state region kind of thing?
You can create. It is dynamic. You can create your zone yourself only.
Okay, thank you.
By going to this like manage section, this zone, and you can click it over add zone button. Then here the anchors are showing which ones are online and which one are offline. You can create yourself only. Okay.
Maximum how many zones we can create, ma'am?
Any.
Like, is there any restriction for creating minimum number of zones?
No.
At least not like that, okay?
No. You can name it like east, west, south, anything.
Okay.
Now coming to this test routes, the same thing. I'm just running this with zone A. Yes, trace route ICC Bank with this 3 anchors. Now it's still running. I will see the result. Yes. Now you can see that from these anchor IN18, these are the hops, IN24, and as this is offline, but still this is present in zone, that's why no result. And here also you can export as PDF, CSV, PDF, and yes, and JSON.
So while using this trace route or ping, whenever it is mentioned in red color, does it mean that there is no there is network issue, proper internet connection is not there?